Hey, my name is Scotty and I'm excited to be reviewing a Domestika course by Gabriela Niko on how to draw a vibrant portrait with coloured pencils. But before I share my sketch and some great tips that I've learnt that I think will really help you with your own drawing, I want to share with you Gabriela's amazing work. Gabriela Niko, also known as Doodle Traffic, is known for her vibrant, stylized portraits using graphite and coloured pencils. She has amassed over 390,000 followers on Instagram. Here are some great examples of her dynamic works. I've been particularly interested in her coloured pencil portraits and her process of adding all these different colours to create such an interesting look, so I was really excited to try and learn this process from her. Her course is on Domestika, which is a creative community that makes my favourite courses online. It's not a subscription-based service, which means you can sign up for free and you only have to pay for the courses you want. This is Gabriela's second course and she has covered a lot here, covering an extensive range of basics before starting a detailed step-by-step example. She goes through all the materials, blending colours, colour theory, values and contrast, proportions of the head, how to draw eyes, I really like that one, lips, ears, and even different hairstyles. If you're interested, check out the link in the description and use my code to save an extra 10% off. Ever since I bought these Prismacolor pencils, they've been sitting in my drawer because I wasn't sure how I could use them. So I'm really excited to see how this sketch turns out. I'm also a bit scared because if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that my sketching style is quick and loose. This portrait technique, it requires a lot more patience than I'm used to. So the idea here is to start with the base sketch in a light colour, sketching in the main shapes and then dividing the face into three. Then I can use that to put in all the facial features. I'm using very light lines to build up the structure. This feels so weird to me as a line usually only takes me a few seconds to sketch. But this took a lot more time to slowly build up and I was moulding the shapes. The next step is adding general layers of light and dark. So I chose here a warm orange and a cool blue. All these layers are very light, slowly building up colour, one on top of the other. I then added hues across the face, and Gabriela explains where to put them. As I'm adding these layers, I'm thinking, oh, it's actually working. I actually found watching and listening Gabriela's sketching really nice, especially hearing those pencil sounds. So the whole process was very therapeutic. Now I add the darker areas with dark red. Looking back, I could have added a bit more darker colours to the skin, matching the reference a bit better, but I was really happy with this being my first attempt. Okay, next I'll detail the eyes and then add unsaturated brown to the hair. The whole time Gabriela gives tips and reminds you of all the previous lessons. She encourages you to trust the process, as it takes time to build up these layers. Definitely the secret here is the layers. If you follow her and get the right order, it looks amazing. And I am super happy with this end result. So I'll definitely recommend this course. I really love the style and it's a lot of fun using coloured pencils. I've learned a lot. If you want to check it out, you can use my link in the description and my discount code to get an extra 10% off. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.